Hello viewers and subscribers of Monster Truck Classics. We are going to look at the Bigfoot Racer Bobblehead. Now this is something different. I got this for Christmas, and so I'm just doing this video now. So here's on the top of the box, it has a nice picture of the Bigfoot Racer Bobblehead. Many of you probably already have one of these, or maybe you have the original one with the bobblehead. Bring this up close. There you see Bigfoot 1, the original monster truck, what the bobblehead looks like. And then there's the Racer one that wouldn't look like, take a look at. And then there's more bobbleheads coming soon. Now on the back of the box, there's a nice picture of the Bigfoot Racer. And here we go. I'll just read this to you. In the late 1980s, the Bigfoot truck industry turned its focus towards all-out racing, and it was at that point that Bigfoot creator Bob Chandler saw the need for a major technological leap forward in the name of safety and performance. The industry had reached a point where the trucks could dish out more than the drivers could take. Using computer-aided design technology, Chandler was able to create a new generation of monster truck that featured a radical tubular steel chassis design and patented cantilever suspension system. The first of these new monster trucks was Bigfoot 8, which was completed in mid-1989. Bigfoot 8 quickly leaped to the forefront of the monster truck industry, and in its first full year of competition became the 1990 world champion and added the iconic red and yellow striping to the side. Since that time, the vast majority of monster trucks have adhered to the basic concept of using a tubular steel chassis and long-traveled nitrogen-charged shocks. There's some of the sponsors: Firestone, Summit Racing, Odyssey Battery, Lucas Oil Incorporated, Jazz Products, I believe, Cosmetic Gasket, PPG, Trick Flow, ZF, Headman, Headers. Now we're gonna open this up so you can take a look. The truck here. Here we go, exclusively handcrafted Bigfoot limited edition handcraft bobblehead. The Bigfoot Racer, there we go. I'll just go back and forth here a little bit. Well, that was a little bit too much, but there we go, Bigfoot bobbing around right there. It has the Firestone tires. Also, what is interesting is the wheels are able to turn, the front and the back, if you so choose, or just by it bobbling it might go. You can turn them yourself. There's the yellow and red racing lines of Bigfoot. It has a name on the side of the truck. There's the front, the racing stripe down the middle with the yellow headlights. This is what the other side looks like. And there's the back. Down in the description, I'll put a link to it, which will be the Bigfoot website, and you can check out the Bigfoot bobblehead. sets that they have.